be roller coaster, man. I'm just trying to play cards while I'm getting roller coaster. Real nigga with that flex. I flex hard, nigga, for the nigga with the
flex, nigga. It's how it's fun to see me. I ain't swing with the sex, with the hoe. Worry about the next, cause you know I ain't tryna flex, but I flexing in this shit. You ain't worried about the next. Young B on the shit. I ain't worried about the S's in the shit and on her back. I ain't worried about the rest. Yeah, I'm getting money on the street. Worried about the next. Fuck around your hood, getting money is the next. Every day I do this shit for real, riding with the X and everything. Fuck the X, and worried about the fucking next. Got a next one, bad as fuck, and she a rap one.
Red one, boy, I pull that unturned. I'm the realest when it comes to something. Then something, win something, take something, breathe something, make something, build it on see something. The realest nigga flex. Come around every jet. You can bet that shit on the map. I still run on track, boy, I'm the king of tap.
Yeah, I could keep tax. Man, this bitch tryna put me in child support. I don't even have a kid, but how'd I feel? You feel what I feel, and you feel how I feel. Getting money on the bill, getting fucked up on the real. Yeah, I'm real, number B, and I do it, I'm for real. Tryna get my money on the back, yo, I'm for real. Young B, call me Zo, Young B, on the road, riding, wanna run the show, getting money, and I blow. Fuck around with them hoes, I ain't fucking with them hoes. Young B, getting dope. Dope, nigga, I'm dope. I get dope, getting broke. I'm on the back, bitch. You know I never get broke. Money on the hood, yeah, them niggas they don't know.
Nigga, I'ma pay attention. Real niggas know me like gems. See, I can play cards on the low key, still hit hard right before them oldies. You wanna play hardball, nigga? Pay attention to them birds, nigga. Sky Avengers. We don't play stupid, nigga, we go. And I don't play hard unless you're an FMO.
Pay attention, pay attention. Gotta pay attention what you doing right now. Gotta pay attention what you doing in life, nigga. Gotta pay attention what you doing night, nigga. Living this life and this shit is hard, nigga. I tell you about this shit, but to start, nigga. I'ma be a star one day. I hope it's one way. Ain't gonna be a day.
Got my be a day, I'm okay. Let me ride around with that, let's get hey. Oh shit, that's you made. You ain't paying attention, boy, I'm that homemade. I'm a clean shot, let me open blocks. My niggas still hitting hard like the runner knocks. I'm Fort Knox, so let me come clean. I beat the pussy up like a new dream.
New dream, yeah, I just had a dream. Tell about the shit, man, the shit need. Shit's real out here when you living, nigga. You gotta live the shit, have to sit, nigga. What about you? You have 2 kids, nigga. Gotta live this life, nigga. This is life, nigga. I do the shit, bitch. I'm rapping on the mic, nigga. Got fucked up on the hood. What you like, nigga?
What you like, nigga? I come with the trigger. I pull triggers just to put dimes on they liquor. Yeah, real niggas know the game, man. I ain't tryna play hard, I'm the game, man. Let me run exchange, go out in them brains. Them niggas going insane, tryna put their names. You ain't tryna hold down unless you're an OG. Y'all real niggas know me, I'm an OG.
OG, be I'm low key. Tell talk, hey, we snap on that shit.
I said it right.